Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the engine, computer, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So where you can guys expect to find the engine, computer, fuses and relays on that generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. We'll demonstrate on that Chevy Tahoe and Suburban. Quick thing, both are built on the same platform. The main difference, the Suburban is longer, but it should apply to both vehicles. Now there will be many hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's perfectly okay, but we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. What we need to do now, go ahead and open the hood. We're lucky because we're working easy to access fuse box. Right under the hood guys, check this thing out now. On the driver's side, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Here on the very right side, you have fuse box. Open that cover and you'll find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. We'll need to check multiple fuses and relays today guys, so be prepared because it will take a little bit of time, but you need to check all of these if you have problems guys, because it could be any of these fuses and relays. The first one that you want to check will be fuse number 74. We're talking about that 15 fuse right here, that's fuse number 74. Then you want to guys check fuse number 87. Now 87 is that fuse here, 88, 89. So all these 3 fuses in a row will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 90 and 91. So practically all these 5 here will need to be checked. After that you need to check relay 92, that relay right here. Next you need to go to fuse 102, that's that double special fuse, micro 3 fuse, micro 3 blade fuse. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it at a good price, quick shipping. Those are hard to find usually. You need to check fuse 101 and fuse 100. So these 3 fuses will need to be checked as well. So those are the fuses, those are the relays that you will mainly need to check guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.